मार्केट शेयर बाजार एक सट्टा है, स्पेशली गुजरातीज इफ यू नो दैट्स अ टर्मिनोलॉजी कि मार्केट में सट्टोड़िए ट्रेड करते हैं. दैट्स द माइंडसेट विद व्हिच आई गॉट मैरिड टू हिम. ओनली द प्रिटेक्स्ट वो कुछ कमाएगा नहीं कमाएगा मैं कमा लूँगी. आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग ऑन सक्सेसफुल ट्रेडर्स एंड इन्वेस्टर्स. तो एक चीज़ रियलाइज हुई दैट इट इज़ देयर माइंडसेट, how they are thinking. It's just not the systems. And that is how we changed our entire trading into helping people change their mindset about trading. And gradually I was lucky because I've seen a lot of people in their journey in stock market पढ़े बिना करते हैं, गिरते हैं, सीखते हैं, करते हैं, गिरते हैं. बहुत लंबी जर्नी होती है. वेरी फ्यू पीपल रियलाइज कि यार पढ़ाई करो, because stock market is just like any other profession. All these beliefs they really create a havoc in your subconscious mind. और जो अंदर होता है वही तो बाहर रिफ्लेक्ट होता है.
लोगों के पास एक फियर भी होता है. There's a fear, पैसे की कमी का फियर. है ना? तो बोलते हैं यार मेरे पास तो अभी कम पैसे हैं, तो मैं इसमें कैसे घुसूं, और जो है वो अगर चला जाए तो बंबई में से कहते वाट लग जाती है.
पता है ये कहां से शुरू हुआ? जस्ट फ्रॉम द पॉसिबिलिटी दैट आई कैन डू इट. दैट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप कि यार मैं कर सकती हूँ. That's the whole shift. How would that fitter version look like? How would that person talk? How would that wealthier version for yourself behave? Which restaurants would you go to? Where would you holiday? What would your home look like? What would your home smell like? All of these little things. अगर आप आँख बंद करके अपने आप को वो दुनिया में ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दो, you transport yourself in that world and you start living that reality even for 5 minutes as soon as you wake up. आप किन लोगों से सराउंडेड है? Who are the kind of people you're surrounded with? That's the biggest indicator and denominator of where you'll be in life. Self-education, जो हम बहुत ही high rate देते हैं. In fact, way more than the formal education. Parents की बात ना कम दिमाग में पड़ती है. बाकी लोग बताएंगे, same चीज़ बताएंगे तो तुरंत समझ में आती है. So it is that, being a wealth mindset coach, I teach lakhs of people outside. When I tell the same principle to my children, they're like, okay, मम्मा तो बोलती रहती है. So making them realizing and giving them the responsibility of their decision when it comes to money empowers them when it comes to money. It really makes them responsible. And then they बता दिया ये अभी ले ली, next 6 months you're not going to have one. So people resist this work. तो थोड़े जन होते हैं प्रोएक्टिव बन के सब कुछ काम करते हैं मनी रिलेटेड, पहले वर्कशीट सब सॉल्व करते हैं, मेडिटेशन वगैरह. थोड़े लोग लगता है ये ना मैं आउटस्मार्ट कर दूंगा इसको, मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, मुझे एक बार बस ट्रेडिंग सिखा दो, मुझे बस सिस्टम सिखा दो. एंड देन घुमा फिरा के एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद फिर आते हैं यार ये काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा, इसके बिना नहीं होगा.
मैंने बहुत सारे माइंडसेट कोचेस के बारे में सुना है, कैसे आपका माइंड शेप करते हैं, स्ट्रांग बनाते हैं, थिंकिंग प्रोसेसेस अलाइन करते हैं. बट वेल्थ माइंडसेट कोच, जब वेल्थ वर्ड अटैच होता है तो बहुत मजा आता है. मेघना मलकान, कैसी हैं आप?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू सिद्धार्थ.
देखिए, मैंने ये टर्मिनोलॉजी सुनी थी,
हाँ.
मैनिफेस्टेशन. हर जगह लोग कहते हैं थिंक इट विल हैपन, थिंक इट विल हैपन, और बहुत बार हो भी जाता है और मैं बिलीव करता हूं इसमें. बट मैनिफेस्टेशन, ये टर्मिनोलॉजी मैंने पहली बार सुनी है थ्रू यू. तो आप प्लीज मुझे समझाइए मैनिफेस्टेशन क्या होता है.
एब्सोल्युटली, जैसे आप बता रहे हैं मैनिफेस्टेशन हम सब ने सुना है और काफ़ी सारे टू सम एक्सटेंट वी ऑल हैव बीन प्रैक्टिसिंग मैनिफेस्टेशन नोइंगली और अननोइंगली. लेकिन मैनिफेस्टेशन हम हर एरिया में अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करते हैं. यू वांट टू मेक मोर मनी, कोई बोलेगा यार मैनिफेस्ट मोर मनी, मैनिफेस्ट ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप्स. वी बीन वर्किंग इन दिस सेक्टर सिंस मोर देन 18 years नाउ. और जब पैसों की बात आती है तब सबसे ज़्यादा डेस्परेटली यू वांट टू अप्लाई, यार मैं कैसे वो करूँ, हाउ डू आई अप्लाई manifestation to create more wealth, and that exactly what manifestation is all about.
क्या बात है. तो यानी कि जो इंसान कहता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेसिक टर्म्स की, यार देखो यार इतना पैसा तो मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता हूं, सुनते हैं ना हम लोग.
Yes.
उन लोगों को अपसेट कर देती है.
100%.
वाओ, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आई बिलीव
Yes.
मेरे बहुत लोग हैं इर्द गिर्द, जैसे मेरे जो लोग ज्वाइन करते हैं दे अर्ली 20s, दे डोंट थिंक इन दैट लेवल. वो कहते हैं यार इतना पैसा सर कैसे हो सकता है. सो यू शो देम द पाथ.
Yeah. Show them the possibility, basically, that it is possible.
कॉर्पोरेट लॉ में थी आप,
Yes.
और आप अब मैनिफेस्टेशन सबको मिला के यू आर ब्रिंगिंग अ चेंज इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ वेल्थ. तो ये टर्निंग पॉइंट कहाँ आया है आपका?
टर्निंग पॉइंट, आई वुड रादर से इट वाज टर्निंग पॉइंट्स. बहुत सारे मुकाम से, फ्रॉम वन मुकाम टू अनदर, एंड देन आई हैव रीच्ड हियर. इट इज लाइक कॉर्पोरेट, जस्ट टू से इट इन ब्रीफ, कॉर्पोरेट लॉ में थी मैं, एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी विद व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग, एंड आई वाज रियली गुड एट व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग अंटिल आई मैरिड अ स्टॉक ट्रेडर, विशाल मलकान. जब उनसे शादी हुई, एंड दैट इज व्हाई जस्ट आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट स्टॉक मार्केट इज अ गैम्बल. मार्केट, शेयर बाजार एक सट्टा है, स्पेशली गुजरातीज, इफ यू नो दैट्स अ टर्मिनोलॉजी, कि मार्केट में सट्टोड़िए ट्रेड करते हैं. दैट्स द माइंडसेट विद व्हिच आई गॉट मैरिड टू हिम. ओनली द प्रिटेक्स्ट वो कुछ कमाएगा नहीं कमाएगा, मैं कमा लूँगी. And slowly I started learning how to trade. I took a break from my job. I started making good money trading. I realized कि यहाँ पे मुझे ज़्यादा freedom मिल रही है. Freedom of time, freedom of money, above all, freedom of choice to do what I want to do, to stay where I want to stay. And that's how Malkan's was formed in 2008, to help people realize कि यार आप भी कर सकते हो, मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप भी कर सकते हो. But eventually धीरे धीरे मैंने realize किया in my own journey as well कि making money in stock market, सिस्टम्स तो सबके पास है. मैं भी वही सिस्टम्स फॉलो कर जो विशाल ने मुझे सिखाई थी, विच यू नो thousands and lakhs of people on the planet follow. However, I was not able to make money the same way as he does or some other successful person does. That's why my whole journey started of realizing कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो लोगों को यहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल बनाती है. I started reading on successful traders and investors. तो एक चीज़ realize हुई that it is their mindset, how they are thinking. It's just not the systems. And that is how we changed our entire trading into helping people change their mindset about trading. अच्छा चलने लगा, everything was fine until I faced a roadblock again. Realize क्यों कि बाकी सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन पैसे बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन पैसों के बारे में सब गड़बड़ चल रही है अंदर. It's all about, you know, how they're thinking about money. And so also I realized with my own experience, till the time I sorted my own money beliefs, money thinking, everything related to money, nothing seemed to work out. Just one small example. I grew up in a very middle class family. My father was the only provider. We were 3 dependent children, 1 dependent grandmom and mom. He put up quite a bit of hard work, you know. I never saw him home chilling. He used to work 14 hours a day, etc. Though he never told me, I grew up with the belief that money making is a lot of hard work. And I grew up with that belief. I was not knowing कि मैं ये belief hard work कर रही हूँ. But that belief eventually stopped me from making money from stock markets. And then eventually I saw a pattern in everybody else कि कैसे मनी को लेके इतना सब कचरा भरते आते हैं हम बचपन से. That stops you. And that's how I started working on their money mindset. And hence manifestation. So that's the entire journey from corporate law to manifestation.
आपने बहुत सही कहा. हमारे जनरेशन में it's always been told to us since childhood. और ये पेरेंट्स की गलती नहीं है, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की गलती नहीं है, उनका वही थॉट प्रोसेस था ना. सो वी डोंट ब्लेम एनीवन. यही था, अरे जब तक मेहनत नहीं करोगे पैसा नहीं आएगा. तो आपके दिमाग में बैठा है कि मैं जब तक 14-16 घंटे ना काम करूं, मनी इज नॉट गोइंग टू कम. देन इट वेयर्स यू आउट, इट बर्न्स यू आउट. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आज के जमाने में एक टर्मिनोलॉजी और आई है, व्हिच इज कॉल्ड स्मार्ट थिंकिंग, स्मार्ट वर्किंग, है ना? And that's the thing that needs to be broken with our generation especially.
Absolutely.
I'm going to talk to you about manifestation more, क्योंकि विशाल से भी मैं बहुत जल्द बात करने वाला हूँ on another podcast. तो विशाल को आपने इनिशियली गैम्बलर समझा था, and then आपने उनको फिर देखा कि अरे यार ये तो वेल्थ सीकर है, गैम्बलर नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ था?
Absolutely. The more I started knowing about stock market, I realized that there is a method in this madness. And my guy is a genius at it. I mean, he's a real genius at it. And gradually, I was lucky because I've seen a lot of people in their journey in stock market पढ़े बिना करते हैं, गिरते हैं, सीखते हैं, करते हैं, गिरते हैं. बहुत लंबी जर्नी होती है. Very few people realize कि यार पढ़ाई करो, because stock market is just like any other profession. जैसे कि मैंने लॉ में पढ़ाई की थी 3 साल प्रॉपर पढ़ाई करके, and then I used to practice right in corporate house. That's how stock market is. And so I was lucky enough क्योंकि मेरी जर्नी काफ़ी लोगों से क्वाइट शॉर्टन हो गई, बिकॉज आई हैड विशाल बाय माई साइड टू टेल मी व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट नॉट टू डू, कैसे पढ़ाई करके करना है, कौन से बुक्स पढ़ने हैं. सो दैट रियली हेल्प्ड.
आई नो अ फ्यू फ्रेंड्स हु जेन्युइनली लॉस्ट मनी इन डेली ट्रेडिंग, क्योंकि उनके पास कोई हाथ पकड़ के सिखाने वाला नहीं था. वो मिलते हैं डिनर कॉन्वर्जेशंस में या कोई ऑफिस में कुछ बोल देता है और ठाक चलो करते हैं.
Yes.
इट्स लाइक व्हाट हैपेंस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम रील्स ना.
Yeah.
इंफॉर्मेशन आता है, आपको लगता है यही है, बाद में पता चलता है ये ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
Yeah.
सो देयर हैज टू बी अ मेथड टू द मैडनेस.
Yes.
है ना.
Exactly.
अगर मैनिफेस्टेशन की 3 सिंपल स्टेप्स हो, वो क्या होंगे?
So actually ये प्रोसेस इतना सरल है और इतना it's like, you know, it's so easy to follow. There are actually multiple ways. It's like more than 3, I would say. You flow from one to the other. जैसे जैसे आप एक practice apply करते हैं, you gradually open up to one more, and then one more, and then one more. It's a beautiful journey, move from one step to another. But from a layman perspective, I would like to talk like how I started. I consider myself as a lay person, right? सबसे पहली शुरुआत होती है अगर आपको मैनिफेस्टेशन जीवन में अप्लाई करना है. द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू बी ओपन टू रिसीविंग. अगर आप देखेंगे, इफ यू like really observe, a lot of people do not believe that they can receive. वो you know, they don't consider themselves deserving of receiving. जैसे कि आपने बताया कि यार ये सब इतनी सारी wealth possible भी है क्या? Suppose if I tell someone that, for instance, making money from stock market, it's so simple that it's a complete source of, you know, financial freedom. ये आइडिया जैसे किसी के दिमाग में डालते हैं, like how is it even possible? Is it possible for me to create that kind of lifestyle? So, and this also comes from your subconscious mind, जो conditioning हमें बचपन से मिली है about money, as you just said, you know. For example, working hard is just one of them. कितनी बार, you know, from Vishal, if you talk to him, you'll realize कि यार बचपन में सुना था कि यार पैसा क्या झाड़ पे उगता है, खुद कमा के देख ले, पता चलेगा कितना कठिन है पैसे कमाना. And also, you know, some people have this conditioning बचपन से माँ बाप से सुना है, and parents did the best they could at that point of time. It's not about them, it's their conditioning also that was playing a role. लेकिन बच्चे सुनते हैं बचपन से, you know, कि यार ये सब ना हमारे लिए नहीं है, ये रिच लोगों के लिए है, जितनी चादर है उतनी ही पैर फैलाओ. So all these things are up into your subconscious mind which block your receiving portals. So that is the first step जो हम कहते हैं कि यार खुले तो रहो, open तो रहो receiving के लिए, right? And that takes you to the next step, which is, you know, clearing all these limiting beliefs that you have gathered in your subconscious mind, जो हमें actually पता ही नहीं है कि है. I never knew that that's my limiting belief कि यार बहुत मेहनत करने से पैसा मिलता है. और स्टॉक मार्केट, मेहनत कहाँ है इसमें? इसमें तो बस लैपटॉप के सामने बैठ के थोड़े बटन दबाने हैं and then you're done. Versus, I used to live in Borivali, travel to town, which is like, you know, suburbs to town. It was 1.5 hour one time. So 3 hours of travel plus 12 hours of work. That was my lifestyle. And then now this lifestyle. So all these beliefs, they really create a havoc in your subconscious mind. और जो अंदर होता है वही तो बाहर रिफ्लेक्ट होता है.
देखिए, एक टूटा फूटा माइंडसेट होता है बहुत लोगों के पास, एंड इट्स ओके टू हैव दैट इनिशियली, क्योंकि वही हमारा बिलीफ सिस्टम रहा है. तो मैनिफेस्टेशन ने वो टूटे फूटे माइंडसेट को कैसे आपने शिफ्ट किया है? हाउ डू यू शिफ्ट दैट?
So the key thing that we do when you do the manifestation process is to shift your thinking on just one thing, from lack and scarcity to abundance. Just that one thinking. And this one thinking is not just about money, it's about everything. हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में lack और scarcity mindset से सोचते रहते हैं. It's all about changing that thinking to an abundant thinking. Realizing that there's enough abundance into everything. You go to an ocean, there's abundance of water. You open a tomato, there's abundance of seeds. So nature is showing you abundance in every way. वो एक जो shift होता है ना लोगों के दिमाग में, and you can clearly see it happening. Sometimes it just opens up as one of the interaction into our live events या online event में कोई interaction हो और दिमाग की बत्ती जल जाती है. Once it opens, it never goes back. So it is just that shift, that magical moment when that shift happens, or gradually through experiences that shift happens, and then everything changes. That's the very first step.
In fact, लोगों के पास एक fear भी होता है. There's a fear, पैसे की कमी का fear.
Yeah.
है ना? तो बोलते हैं यार मेरे पास तो अभी कम पैसे हैं, तो मैं इसमें कैसे घुसूं, और जो है वो अगर चला जाए तो बंबई में से कहते वाट लग जाती है, you know? यानी कि वो सोच ही बड़ी छोटी होती है.
Yes.
And that's a valid fear to have, right?
That's a valid fear to have.
तो उन लोगों को आप क्या कहोगे?
That's exactly what you call about scarcity and lack thinking. बस मेरे पास इतना ही है और अगर चला गया तो What if I can't make more? And to these people, we have this beautiful practice जो हम बहुत सारी बार उनके साथ, we do it at our live events, and we give this as a practice for them to do it every single day, which is practice of visualizing what kind of future you actually want, what kind of life you actually want to live. And that practice, Siddharth, is so powerful. So powerful. People come back and say that, यार मेघना, it changed my entire life altogether. See, होता क्या है, एक प्रैक्टिस से इट इज नॉट दैट कि यार सब कुछ बदल जाता है, लेकिन what if you continuously bombard your subconscious mind with that abundant thought, with that new picture of the life that you want to create? Eventually you'll start believing that this is your reality. And once you start believing this is your reality, what happens is every action of yours will change. जो पहले फोर्स्ड एक्शन हुआ करती थी, फियर एक्शन हुआ करती थी, नाउ दैट बिकम्स एन इंस्पायर्ड एक्शन. इंस्पायर्ड एक्शन इज समथिंग दैट यू टेक फ्रॉम अ डिसीजन ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, बिलीविंग योर गट, decision that you make from joy. Everything changes. So it's about creating a new reality for yourself, and that changes all.
Can you give me an example? मैं नाम नहीं पूछूंगा, but I really want to know an example जहाँ पे कोई स्टूडेंट था जो आपके पास आया.
Absolutely.
और
absolutely.
उनकी छोटी सोच रही है और आपने उसको कन्वर्ट किया, और फाइनली आउटकम क्या था?
I mean, there are tons of stories, but लेकिन एक बड़ी remarkable story है. I'll say this because a lot of people would relate to this. Is the story of a simple homemaker. वो आई हमारे एक प्रोग्राम में along with her husband. Imagine her husband had actually forced her कि भैया तू चल के देख तो ले. She was not interested. She came to a workshop, she heard, she listened, something shifted in her, and then she met me. यार मेघना, मुझे नहीं stock market, walk market कुछ नहीं interest है. I'm not interested in all these things. But I love what you're talking about mindset. मुझे अपने पैसों के बारे में बात की ना, वो मुझे that is something that I really want to work on, because the typical, and it's very common in our country, not to judge, लेकिन it's वो mindset जो होता है, लेकिन पैसों को लेकर, homemakers को लेकर, it's very different. Someone who's on the other side and working side may not connect to this, but it's there, it's prevalent. Even in big cities, it's prevalent. She's like, I want to create my own independence, Meghna. I want to be on my own. मुझे हाथ नहीं फैलाने. What do I do? And this is where I started working with her on the money front. She never learned stock market, but we silently, gradually, धीरे धीरे करके उनके wealth mindset के ऊपर काम किया. She used to go to her husband. Her husband had चश्मे की दुकान जो होती है, वो 2 घंटा वहाँ पे जाती थी उनको help करने. Not thinking that I have the ability to create wealth myself. I have the ability to do it myself. Gradually, she started working on her own, business venture जो उनको बचपन से उनकी इच्छा थी मुझे करना है. Never had the confidence कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. Gradually, she started that, धीरे धीरे, and it's so amazing to see her. She started getting a lot of success there. 5 years, Siddharth. 5 years, and that woman is unrecognizable right now. She runs a whole business. Her business has grown to another level altogether. The confidence that she has in herself, the way you look at her, the way she walks, she talks, the way she earns money, I don't believe it's the same Lakshmi ji who walked into my seminar pre-COVID. It's a complete life change for her. And this, पता है ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? Just from the possibility that I can do it. That's the first step, कि यार मैं कर सकती हूँ. That's the whole shift. And then started the whole process of visualizing a new reality, doing wealth mindset practices, doing your daily prosperity meditation, writing down your journal, doing gratitude, all of it. Simple things, right? But change the whole life.
I'm sure there are a lot of Lakshmi Jis out there.
Absolutely.
जिनकी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म हो सकती है ना? वो कौन से 3 या 4 बेसिक चीजें जो सुबह हम जैसे लोगों को करना चाहिए ताकि वो वेल्थ माइंडसेट जो है लॉक इन हो सके?
परफेक्ट. सबसे पहली चीज, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया, वी आर ऑल लिविंग इनटू अ रियलिटी राइट नाउ. आपका जो जीवन है वो एक रियलिटी आपके लिए. The way you eat, the kind of people that you go around with, the kind of wealth that you enjoy, luxury, standards, all of it. Secretly, we all desire a higher kind of, life for all of us in terms of wealth, health, and relationships. We all want to be fitter and more healthier than what we are, or more wealthier than we are. We all want to have more fulfilling relationships than what we have right now, right? A better life. The idea is to create that reality here first. If it's created here first, it actually manifests in your actual reality then. So the first basic practice that I ask people to do is, as soon as you wake up, think about that reality. What would that reality feel like? Observe it in your mind. You know, कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं सिद्धार्थ, वो यहीं पे नहीं देख पाते. When I ask them कि क्या देखा, like कैसे देखना है, क्या देखूं? I can't visualize myself rich. I can't visualize myself fitter than I am. हो ही नहीं रहा है. That is the first step. अब यहाँ पे, you know, how would that fitter version look like? How would that person talk? How would that wealthier version for yourself behave? Which restaurants would you go to? Where would you holiday? What would your home look like? What would your home smell like? You know, all of these little things, अगर आप आँख बंद करके अपने आप को वो दुनिया में ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दो, you transport yourself in that world and you start living that reality, even for 5 minutes as soon as you wake up. That's the very first and the most simplest of practices that you can do, which can instantly shift your, ये होता क्या है पता है, chemically. It's a long conversation here, but you know, someday maybe we could just have a podcast on this, maybe.
On the chemical lochas.
Yes, all of it. But होता क्या है, your brain, it releases those kind of chemicals when you do that. You know, न्यूरॉन्स बनते, कनेक्शंस बनते हैं हमारे ब्रेन में, जो बार बार करने से वो कनेक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग होते जाते हैं. एंड द स्ट्रॉन्गर द कनेक्शंस, द फास्टर यू अट्रैक्ट दैट. आवर माइंड इज बेसिकली a magnet. You will attract what you think about. So the more you live in that frequency, the faster you attract it. And so the more the chances of attraction.
Literally आप कह रहे हो कि दिन में उठते वक्त
Yes.
कम से कम अपने आप को 10 मिनट दे दो इसमें.
Yes, and just close your eyes and think about that new reality. What would you do? छोटी छोटी चीजें सोचे यार. Not just, अरे मैं luxury holiday पे जाऊंगी. No. What is the meaning of luxury holiday for you? Do you want to really go in Raffles and Six Senses and stay there and feel the soft bed there, feel the blue ocean, feel all of it, literally feel it, transport yourself to that reality. And a lot of people tell me, I'm telling you, it's not madness. This is real magic. That is the first step. The second step is, अब ये कई लोगों के लिए कठिन होता है, but this is very powerful, is look around you. आप किन लोगों से surrounded है? Who are the kind of people you are surrounded with? That's the biggest indicator and denominator of where you'll be in life. जैसे जिम रॉन कहते हैं, आपने पढ़ा होगा, you're an avid reader, you have read about Jim Rohn. वो कहते हैं कि your health, wealth and happiness is the average of health, wealth and happiness of 5 people that you surround yourself with. 5 people. Your closest people. उनकी average health is your health. उनकी average wealth is your wealth. And their average quality of relationships is the quality of relation you'll have. Now imagine, हम अपने आस पास अगर ऐसे लोगों के साथ ज़्यादा समय बिता रहे हैं जिनकी mindset बड़ी scarcity से भरी हुई है, especially because here we're talking about wealth. They have lack thinking. बात में even if you want to upgrade your lifestyle, वो आपको शन कर देते हैं. क्या बड़ा show off मत कर यार, क्या तू ही अकेले पैसे कमाता है? और someone will say, you know, कि यार दिखा तू तो बड़ा अमीर बन गया है, अब तो तुम्हें हमारी ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. All these things, you know, gradually, subconsciously pull you down. And if you spend more time with these people, even though you are doing all these practices at home and doing the best of what you can, but you go to them and phadak karke they shun you down and then you're back to square one. So that's an underrated practice of surrounding yourself with people who have abundant thinking.
ये बहुत ही valid point है. You know, I've noticed people sometimes वो ऐसे लोगों के इर्द गिर्द रहते हैं, their friends, जिनकी खुद की सोच भी बड़ी नहीं है.
Exactly,
आप समझ रहे हो? एक तो होते हैं लोग जो आपको कम करने की कोशिश करते हैं, डिमोटिवेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, यूजिंग वर्ड्स लाइक शो ऑफ, और एक होते हैं जिनकी खुद की सोच ही बड़ी नहीं है.
Exactly.
है ना? So automatically when you see their achievements, you feel अच्छा ये तो इसमें ही खुश है, तो यही काफी होता है. But if that there's one friend in that group who sees that Lamborghini, he's saying, you know what, I'm going to own it. Or he walks out of that Lamborghini and he says, wow, यार मुझे मेरे दोस्त की तरह बनना है.
Yeah.
That really makes a difference, no?
A huge difference.
In fact, long time back, okay, I had these bunch of friends. I'm talking about my early 20s. I started working when I was 14 years old. I was India's youngest radio host. And I was climbing up the ladder a lot because I was the first free-flowing radio jockey in this country. माने जो बोलते रहे कैसा है, और मेरे से पहले लोग बोलते थे हाँ जी हाँ कैसे हैं आप, अब ठीक हैं, वैसे बात कर रहे हैं, hey, you know. And I bought my first house when I was 19 years old with my
Wow.
own money.
Wow.
Came from a middle class background with my own money. But then I was surrounded by a bunch of friends जो बिल्कुल यही सिचुएशन था. मैं लंबा सोचता था, बड़ा सोचता था, और वो आपको हमेशा रन डाउन करते थे. एंड व्हेन आई लुक बैक इन लाइफ, आई वाज सेड वो 2-3 साल ना मुझे उनके साथ बिताना नहीं था. बट यू लिव एंड लर्न. यस, it did stop my growth at that stage. Then I went back to people who would motivate me every day or not even say anything. बस उनको सिर्फ देखना है. दूर से आप देख रहे, आप मोटिवेट हो जाते हो.
Yes.
है ना?
Well said.
आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग कैसे पावर देता है मैनिफेस्टेशन को?
बिल्कुल भी, बिकॉज द की ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन, जैसे मैंने बताया कि यू वांट टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम गोइंग इनवर्ड वेयर यू क्रिएट योर ओन रियलिटी. तो ये जो प्रैक्टिसेस होती है ना ऑफ स्टिलिंग योर माइंड and relaxing your body, stilling your body, all these, they need practice over a period of time. ये करने से नहीं होते. You need to have this daily practice of setting into meditation, observing yourself, observing your breath, being into the present moment, which is one of the key aspects of manifestation. That's what Art of Living does. उनकी हैप्पीनेस कोर्स जो होती है वहाँ पे बड़ी प्यारी चीज़ सिखाते हैं, ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक जिसका नाम है सुदर्शन क्रिया. It's one of the most beautiful practices, science-backed practice that really helps regulate your nervous system. और जब वो सीखते हैं, that's like, you know, all the Art of Living programs are part of our training programs. और जब वो students वो सब सीखते हैं, when they learn Sudarshan Kriya, when they learn to quieten your mind, stilling your body, वो जो practice inculcate होती है जीवन में, that helps the manifestation process. In fact, it accelerates the process. And that is why the Art of Living is so impactful.
Now I'm going to talk to you like a papa, okay? I'm a Tamilian, so my kids call me Appa. And you've also got two lovely children, है ना? तो मनी के बारे में आप अपने बच्चों को क्या सिखाते हो? जहाँ पे उनको समझ भी आए, it doesn't look that we're making them into greedy children.
Yeah.
But it also makes them believe that yes, I can sit in a first class of an aircraft. I want to have this and I'm gonna have this. Because बहुत बार हम लोग वापस सुनते हैं, अरे ज़्यादा पैसे की बात मत करो, नहीं तो बच्चे सिर्फ पैसे की ओर सोचते रहेंगे. That may not be great upbringing. So I'm now talking to not only a wealth mindset lady but also a mother. बच्चों से कैसे बात करते हो आप पैसे के बारे में?
So we've got very basic rules जो बनाए रखे हैं, like मैंने और विशाल ने, when it comes to family, kids and finances. Rule number 1 is all conversations are out in the open. When it comes to wealth, money, all of it, and they've always been in the open. Not the figures, but the way we talk about money, the way our mindset is about money. Because I believe the first rule about guiding your children about anything, on anything, is they learn not what you talk, they learn what you act, how you behave. They're observing you. वो देखते हैं हमें, right? Our spending habits, our saving habits, investing habits, all of them, they're constantly watching you, right? So it's like, you know, जो हम actual life में हैं वही, the real conversations happen in the house. Second thing that we always do is, and this, we have our own coaches. We've always have, we believe in the power of coaching. हम सब के, you know, we have fitness coach, our mindset coach, we have our therapist, we both have always had that forever. And that's what we learn from them, is that कि बच्चों में जो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, यू नो, जस्ट बिकॉज हम वो बिलीफ सिस्टम से आए हैं कि यार पैसा स्कार्स है, या यू नो पैसा क्या झाड़ पे उगता है, मेहनत करके पैसा कमाना है. सो मेनी टाइम्स वी वांट टू डू द रिवर्स टू आवर चिल्ड्रन, गिव देम ऑल. यार मुझे तो नहीं मिला, मैं इंश्योर करूंगा या करूंगी कि मैं तुम्हें सब कंफर्ट दे दूँ, ऑल ऑफ दिस. यू नो, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल. ईदर यू इमिटेट योर पेरेंट or you completely turn the opposite of your parent. That's how always parenting works. So that's where the delicate thing comes in, where you have to draw a line. Not exactly कि मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला तो I should give you everything. That's not what that is all about. So we are very, very vocal about how we have built the company, how this entire empire was built up, the kind of struggles that we've been through. I mean, we've been bankrupt twice in the entire process.
Yeah.
And the children know the entire story. So they actually know the reality कि ये जो दिख रहा है अभी, the lifestyle that I'm living, what is the background of this lifestyle? It just doesn't come that way. The kind of, you know, struggles you've had, the kind of trials and tribulations, they know all of it. So that brings them into the reality check.
सो दैट इज ऑफ कोर्स ट्रायल्स एंड ट्रिब्यूलेशंस, जो आपने बच्चों को बताया है कि देखिए हमें ये सारी तकलीफें हुई हैं, बट व्हाट अबाउट मेकिंग देम थिंक बिग? वो कैसे करते हो आप?
So we've got this practice of self education जो हम बहुत ही high rate देते हैं, in fact way more than the formal education. So all these personal development programs जहाँ हम जाते रहते हैं, हम बहुत सारी बार बहुत often जाते रहते हैं, we take our kids along. We just put them into the environment of self education. You know, चाहे टोनी रॉबिन्स का कोई प्रोग्राम हो गया, जैसे कि You Unleash Your Power Within, the kids have attended that, the kids have attended Stay Their Size programs, और all of these personal development programs जहाँ हम जाते हैं, उन्हें समझ आए नहीं आए, now they understand though, but from the very young age, spiritual programs या millionaire mindset, all of these, we keep putting them in that environment. Gradually, they you know, they meet different kinds of people there, और वो जो mindset elevation होता है वो वहीं पे होता है. और वैसे भी this is a very common thing, you will agree to this, पेरेंट्स की बात ना कम दिमाग में पड़ती है, बाकी लोग बताएंगे, सेम चीज़ बताएंगे तो तुरंत समझ में आती है. So it is that, you know, being a wealth mindset coach, I teach lakhs of people outside. When I tell the same principle to my children, they're like, okay, मम्मा तो बोलती रहती है. But my daughter went to Millionaire Mindset Incentive. वो बंदा same बता रहा है, she's like, wow. I said, yeah, बढ़िया है. This is what I was always telling you. But then that's a normal mentality. So
चलिए एक सिचुएशन में आपको देता हूँ, ठीक है? There's a total Papa Singh talking, हाँ. तो एक दुकान में बच्चे हैं आपके साथ और बच्चा बोलता है देखो मुझे वो चाहिए. कभी कभार मैंने पेरेंट्स को सुना है ये कहते हुए, अरे रे इतना पैसा नहीं है हमारे पास, वो छोड़ दो इस वक्त, कुछ और चीज देख लो. What should be the approach in that situation to tell your child? क्या बोलना चाहिए जहां पे एक दिन बच्चे को यह यकीन हो जाए ये आ सकता है मेरे पास भी और मेरे पिताजी के पास भी.
Yeah. So we have this filter for children, suppose when it comes to spending money, कि number one question to ask is कि क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि इसकी value है, मतलब value in your life, right? I mean, तुम्हें लगता है, suppose my daughter is very fond of Pottery Barn, जो खुला है उसको वहाँ की rugs and bed sheets and all, but you know, I mean, it's a foreign this वहाँ पे the pricing is very different there. So whenever I take her there, the first thing I ask is तुम्हें लगता है इसकी value है? Suppose a bed sheet is suppose 5,000 rupees. तुम्हें लगता है इसकी value है? What is as per your thinking? She'll reply from a 12-year-old's perspective, but at least it's interesting for her to know because she'll place the value as per her, and then the price, because she knows the price of the same product otherwise, you know, outside. कि तुम्हें लगता है ये price worth है, and the number of times you're going to be using it. इसकी usage जो है तुम्हें लगता है justify कर रही है. Many of the times the answer would be negative. मतलब negative for the parent. She's like, yeah, mama, I want it and all. But sometimes you just have to let her buy it and then make it realize के, you know, see, you bought this in this month and now see where it, have you used it enough for the price that you paid? In this price, could you not have purchased 2 other bed sheets from D-Record? Just an example. So making them realizing and giving them the responsibility of their decision when it comes to money empowers them when it comes to money. It really makes them responsible. And then they बता दिया ये अभी ले ली, next 6 months you're not going to have one. So now they know, now they're thinking कि इससे अच्छा why don't I buy this? I could use this money elsewhere. So when you empower them from financial point of view, it really puts them in the place of responsibility.
Well said. Basically let them self-analyze, throw them options. फिर वो decide करते हैं अपने आप. And invariably kids are very very intelligent.
Yeah.
उनको समझ आता है कौन सी राह पकड़ने के लिए.
And नहीं भी आया तो failure is good, right?
है ना? Absolutely. दूसरा, talking about failures, बहुत सारे new traders होते हैं ना, उनके पास कुछ ना कुछ ब्लॉक तो होता ही होगा because you're doing this for the first time. वो कौन से ब्लॉक्स आप नोटिस करते हो?
सबसे पहला ब्लॉक होता है मनी का ब्लॉक, where it is, you know, most people, one thing you've observed is, and I think it's an important topic to talk about when it comes to money conversation, is something called as money traumas. Money trauma is nothing but sour experiences with money, जो हम सबके जीवन में कभी ना कभी होते हैं. Either personally experience करते हैं या we have witnessed our family experience money trauma. जो भी है वो money trauma रह जाते हैं हमारे subconscious mind में. This is the biggest block I see with traders and investors, जो begin करते हैं उनकी journey, where they start trading and investing without resolving those money traumas. और इसकी वजह से money blocks experience करते हैं. और फिर the most common question I'm asked is कि मेघना, जो आपने जैसा system सिखाया था ना मैंने वैसा ही किया, देखो मेरा तो पैसा नहीं बना, बाकी लोगों बाकी स्टूडेंट्स का बन रहा है. दैट इज द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चन कि मैंने क्या गलती कर दी यार, what is a mistake that I made. And then वो घुमा फिरा के, चाहे a lot of people resist this kind of work, Siddharth. They don't want to work. This is gory work, right? Imagine facing your own demons inside. You don't want to do that. So people resist this work. तो थोड़े जन होते हैं प्रोएक्टिव बन के सब कुछ काम करते हैं मनी रिलेटेड, पहले वर्कशीट सब सॉल्व करते हैं, मेडिटेशन वगैरह. थोड़े लोग लगता है ये ना मैं आउटस्मार्ट कर दूंगा इसको, मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, मुझे एक बार बस ट्रेडिंग सिखा दो, मुझे बस सिस्टम सिखा दो. एंड देन घुमा फिरा के एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद फिर आते हैं यार ये काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा, इसके बिना नहीं होगा. सो दैट्स द बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट स्टॉप्स पीपल.
यानी इस सिचुएशन में सिस्टम हैंग हो गया. वेल्थ क्रिएशन की जर्नी में आपके स्पेसिफिकली कौन से फियर्स और स्कैरी सिचुएशंस आपने देखी है?
Personally, the first, a lot of scary situations came out of this belief that money is limited because money comes only by working hard. उसके बिना money नहीं आएगा. And looking at the kind of family that I came from, the kind of friends that I had, there was no success story to be attached to. There was no one कि यार बस ये है ना, possible है मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा बनना.
Benchmark नहीं
Yeah,
था.
there was no benchmark and there was no example of someone who has done it. You know, हर family एक बंदा होता है जिसे हम transition person कहते हैं. One person that moves the money line. वो blood line होती है ना, उसको पूरे shift करता है financially. So, and there was no one in my family till the time I started making money. So that was my biggest fear कि क्या मेरा जीवन भी middle class चला गया तो? What if I spend my entire life middle class, always, calculating bills and money and, wondering कि कौन सी EMI में क्या asset लूँ, all of these thinking. That was my biggest fear. So till the time I worked on this abundance mindset, I have always lived with this fear.
We've all lived this kind of fear, है ना?
Yeah.
But eventually कोई मिल ही जाता है, mentors आप जैसे जो आ जाते हैं लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं करके और हम सबको सॉर्ट कर देते हैं.
I know. For me it was Vishal. And I'm sure a lot of people say that, it's happened because of your thing. And eventually, yeah, when you're open, I believe mentors कब आते हैं? When you are open to receiving, that's also a sign of receiving. जब आपकी mindset shift होती है ना, ऐसे से when the student is ready, the teacher arrives. Till the time इर्द गिर्द लोग घूमते रहते हैं, who can change your mindset, but हमें दिखाई नहीं देते because our mindset is blocked.
डेलुलू सोलुलू, बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या? हाई ऑन चाय, चाय प्रेमी विचित्र प्राणी, बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Yes, Angar's latest collection of t-shirts, hoodies, jumpsuits are out. Trendy, cool, new designs with slogans that you and I see in our daily lives at affordable prices. Also, if you're an Angar customer, if you have the Angar merchandise with you, click pics with them and post it on your Instagram and tag me at @Sid_Kannan and I would love to repost them. Angar pehno or Angar machao.
You're right. Sometimes आप एक पार्टी में गए हो, मान के चलो, and then you see that person just standing next to you and you say hi, hello, और वो कुछ 2-3 ऐसे points फेंक देता है.
Absolutely.
And that's when you realize either you hold on to it or you move away from it.
Yeah, totally.
And वो 30 seconds to a minute में आप decide कर लेते हो, अगर आप open हो,
Yeah,
कि I can allow this person to give me more.
exactly.
Free में education दे रहा है, mentoring free में हो रही है उस वक्त, है ना? It's like they say, even in podcasts, I mean, ना, like आप बात कर रहे हो, अगर मैंने 10% भी आपके जिंदगी से कुछ उठाया या आपकी कॉन्वर्जेशन से कुछ उठाया, मैंने कम से कम अपनी जिंदगी 3 से 5 साल बचा लिए.
100%.
Really, है ना?
100%.
So I just love hear people talk like people like you in front of me. मुझे लगता है कि मैंने इसमें ही मेरे 3, 5, 7, 10 साल बच
So
गए,
much
है
of
ना?
learning, so much of
है
learning,
ना?
yes.
You just said about being open to mentors coming into your life. आपको कैसे मालूम कि ये स्टूडेंट जो है, जो आपके सामने है, मैनिफेस्टेशन के लिए रेडी है?
The first sign is the way someone listens to you. पता चलता है whether that person is open or completely shut, और वो पूरे everything वो पूरी इनकी cognitive load पूरी blocked है when it comes to learning. Practices जो है daily practice, अभी आप ही सुन रहे हो, a lot of people are watching, आप देख रहे हो ये podcast. There's this, हमने जब meditation की बात की, there's this free meditation link जो मैं I would love to offer those people who are
Please.
listening to the podcast. And your ability, even कई कई बार फ्री रिसोर्सेज होते हैं, जैसे आपने बताया कि फ्री में इतनी सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है. आर यू इवन रेडी टू accept and start practicing that in your life? And I see students eager to do that. Ma'am, मुझे दीजिए, ma'am, I'm doing this meditation, I'm writing my gratitude journal. All of these are little signs that the person is ready to move forward in their lives to do what we ask them to do.
So wealth journey में एक harmony secret होता है. What is that?
Yeah, my secret tool, if you want to, if you're trying to ask me, my secret tool in this whole process is raising my vibrations with gratitude. That's my secret tool, and that's what I propagate. And simple thing to do. The next simplest of what I said, meditation karna hai roz. Guys, if you just write gratitude every day for just write 10 points that you're grateful for, what happens is that's a complete game changer. जब हम gratitude में रहते हैं, our vibrations move instantly. There's beautiful vibration scale. If अगर आपने डेविड हॉकिंस की बुक पढ़ी है, पावर वर्सेस फोर्स, जहाँ पे कॉन्शियसनेस स्केल की बात करते हैं, where at every level of emotion, how is your vibration? What level are you vibrating on? That shows your consciousness scale. And when you see that, gratitude and appreciation, they rate very high on that scale. इसका मतलब क्या है? As soon as you start thinking gratitude, you start being in that appreciation zone, आपकी वाइब्रेशन इंस्टेंटली शॉट अप हो जाती है. एंड टॉक अबाउट मैनिफेस्टिंग, यू कैन मैनिफेस्ट ओनली फ्रॉम अ हाई वाइब्रेशन जोन. यू कैन नॉट मैनिफेस्ट फ्रॉम अ लो वाइब्रेशन जोन. कई लोग पता है कंप्लेन करते हैं मैनिफेस्टेशन हम्बग है, कुछ है नहीं, ये सब फालतू बकवास है. हैव यू हर्ड दैट? आई हैव हर्ड दैट अ लॉट. ये सब चलता नहीं, ये सब बुक में वो रॉन्डा ब्रांड कुछ भी लिखते हैं. रिमेंबर व्हेन सीक्रेट हैड कम अप, पीपल लाइक कुछ नहीं चलता है. नहीं चलता है because you are vibrating at a lower level.
Negative thoughts से आप start
lower level is the vibration, the emotion of fear, emotion of anger, doubt, scarcity keeps you low. Gratitude and appreciation keep you high. So even though you don't know all this vibration bullshit, मैं ऐसा लगे ये क्या है, ठीक है, आपको समझने की जरूरत नहीं. It's all science and science works, I know that. But even if you don't want to, you can choose not to understand that. Just understand कि मुझे बस 10 मिनट gratitude practice करनी है. Write 10 things that I'm grateful for. चाहे वो दिन आपका सबसे बकवास दिन क्यों ना गया हो, at least you got some food to eat. You got to meet your loved people at the end of the day. You have a roof on your head. That's enough to be grateful. There are people lying outside, right, on the street in this cold weather. So at any given point of time, you'll get at least 10 things to be grateful for. Write that down. Simple. Feel them and write that down.
एक और thought process है जो ये है कि you're grateful for what you have, यानी आपके पास gratitude है जो आपके पास है. But does that not limit you to being happy with what you have to move forward to achieving more?
Good question. Very often I'm asked this question. My answer is no to that question. And the reason it does not stop you is that what happens with gratitude is you're in the state of recognition. You're not in the state of contentment. You recognize that. So let's talk very specific when it comes to money. Suppose you are stuck financially.
जी.
आपके पास कोई डील थी, वो go through नहीं हुई है, and you have expenses to meet, और आप stuck हो, you somehow desperate या कुछ ना कुछ तो workout हो जाए महीने में. In that zone, suppose you write, ये कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं with related to money that I'm grateful for. It's just with respect to wealth. At least मेरे पास क्या है कि मैं grateful रहूँ. I have, जैसे कि मैंने बताया, I have a home to live in. I have food on my table. I have clothes to wear. Very simple things, I have that much money that I can pay my bills. इतनी चीज़ के लिए अगर आप grateful रहते हो, what happens is it relaxes your mindset out of fear. वो जो anxiety होती है ना, वो पूरी निकाल देता है. Because it gets you out from the anxiety vibration to a relaxed and a high vibration. And from that vibration, आपकी decision making better होती है. और जब decision making better होती है, तो आप better opportunities ले पाते हो, better action ले पाते हो, and that is how you make more money. So that is the connection of writing gratitude, so that it gets you out of the anxiety. Imagine taking a decision from anxiousness versus taking a decision when you're way more relaxed. What would build you wealth? The relaxed state of mind would attract more wealth, right? It's as simple as that.
ये सारी अवार्ड्स आपको मिली है, ठीक है? इट्स अ लॉन्ग लिस्ट, मैं थोड़ा छोटा कर देता हूँ, ठीक है? टाइम्स पावर विमेन आइकॉनिक ट्रेडिंग एंड परफॉर्मेंस कोच, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. टाइम्स मोस्ट इंस्पायरिंग वुमन वेस्ट इंडिया, वो भी आपको मिला हुआ है. हाँ, आप रिटायर हो सकती हैं, जो मुझे समझ में आया, विद द अमाउंट ऑफ वेल्थ आपने बनाया हुआ है, तब भी you're at it. You're still moving into the direction of making people make more and more money. Manifestation भी is obviously a movement जो मैं कहता हूं कि लोग पैसा बनाएं. ये कहां से आता है? What's the drive?
I think it all comes from the sense of deep purpose. When you're attached to a cause which is way higher than yourself, it just, all these actions just flow. And then I'm sure आप connect कर पाओगे इससे भी. And there's no stopping back. There's no holding yourself back or वो thought कि I'm done. Like, you know, it's because the game changes. The game doesn't remain about money anymore. It's about impact and it's about influence. And that keeps you going. Plus the joy that you get when people come and say कि यार, जैसे मैंने लक्ष्मी जी का example दिया.
जी.
You know, we have got hundreds or probably thousands of such kind of people. That is where the fodder, where your soul lives on. Eventually it's that way.
And it's always about giving back, ना मेघना.
Giving back to the society.
जब आप देते हो ना तो आपको 3 गुना ज्यादा मिलता ही है. And after a point, you have to give back. Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's one thing that people don't value that much. वो खुश हो जाते हैं जितने की है. Help people grow with you too, yeah. You'll grow as a human being even more, है ना?
Totally.
As an educator, as an entrepreneur, what's the biggest challenge जो आपने face किया है?
The biggest challenge is there is always choosing a goal that you want to go after, because you know at some point of time everything looks shiny on the outside. You want to achieve this, you want to do that, आपको ये सीखना है, वो सीखना है, आपको ये implement करना है, ये business में, everything looks shiny on the outside. Letting your intuition decide which is the right path for me to move ahead. I think that is the biggest challenge that I've had, because in this process, there was one thing that I mentioned when I started teaching mindset. I'm a certified high performance coach, by the way. I was helping people with their mindset, high performance mindset, and which is something again which I loved to do. Till the time I started working on money, again, even that was impactful. There came a point in time where I thought, यार high performance coaching ही करे या सिर्फ मनी माइंडसेट पे फोकस करे, दोनों ही लोगों को हेल्प कर रहा है, दोनों ही इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर रहा है. But then letting my intuition decide that wealth mindset coaching is where most of the people in our country need it. This is a very common baseline problem. अगर ये solve कर दी ना, then that will really help a lot of people. And that's how I decided it. So these kind of, you know, पड़ाव आते रहते हैं, यहाँ पे बहुत कठिन होता है डिसाइड करना, ये करे वो करे. That's the whole thing.
जाने से पहले lifestyle shift, life shift, wealth shift अगर कोई करना चाहे, what is that one thing you'd like to tell them which is your mantra for life?
सबसे पहला तो when I said there is this link to my prosperity meditation, that is one of the most powerful meditations when it comes to money, when it comes to your wealth frequency. It really works on the subatomic thing into your subconscious mind. I would really love the listeners कि यार ये तो आपको करना ही है. Second thing जो मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, which we just decided is that, which we just discussed some time ago, is really observe your zone of abundance where you are. Observe that every day. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में start noticing. Wealth, building wealth is not a one day thing or an instant shift जो आती है. It is a process. It's a process that takes time, but it starts somewhere. And that first starting point is that shift in mindset that happens. Start observing in your body, in your relationships, in everything around you, in nature. वो एक shift आ गई ना thinking में, then that is really your start to the journey to building a wealth mindset.
Power of observation, है ना? Thank you so much, यार.
Thank you.
इतना अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. Honestly, मैं खुद pumped feel कर रहा हूँ इस वक्त आपसे बात करने के बाद, and I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. तो अगर मैं ऐसे feel कर रहा हूँ on a one-on-one basis, I've been told जब आपके seminars होते हैं 7, 8, 10,000 लोग आते हैं and you change people's lives. And it's not only about wealth. I know you change their life on a day-to-day basis. So thank you so much for doing that. मैं आपको एक
Thank you
छोटा
for having me over.
गिफ्ट देना चाहता हूँ. राइट पे देखिए, वहां पे 4 परफ्यूम बॉटल है. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है कलर आप उठाइए.
Awesome. Any one, is it? Just one?
अरे जो उठाइए, चलिए.
I'll take this. This
Okay,
is
I'll
cute.
tell you what this is.
Thank
May
you.
I?
Yes.
हाँ, this is Kawai Cosmetics.
Uh-huh.
मेरी वाइफ ने इसको बनाया है. Kawaii means cute in Japanese. It's water based, no alcohol, vitamin E, which is great for the skin of kids. So it's made for kids, but grown-ups भी use कर रहे हैं because if you have allergies, you can use it. There are 4 fragrances.
Awesome. This is beautiful.
You've got 2 bachas.
Yes, and my daughter is fond of perfumes.
Array, what's her
Thank you.
name?
Her name is Maisha.
Maisha, this is for you.
Thank you.
Okay. And I'm sure
Thank you,
she'll love
Siddharth.
it. And I'm
Yes.
sure you'll love it too. And give my love to your kids as well.
Sure.
एक और
Thank you for
बॉटल
having me
देना
over.
है
This was
वो
fun.
आपके हस्बैंड को दूंगा मैं भी सोचता हूँ मैं भी लंबी सोचता हूँ but thank you so
Awesome.
much yeah
Thank you.
really and most importantly you made me think as to how I can talk to my kids about wealth and I'm so happy for that so thank you.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you so much for this. By the way, I have a gift for your viewers as well.
अरे we all love gifts yeah I mean this is the whole gift season also बताइए आप.
Yes. So जो wealth mindset की बात की, what we've done is we have put together a blueprint, a kind of test, जो आपकी जो current wealth mindset blueprint है, उसे टेस्ट करेगा, बताएगा कि where you stand. Basically a score for you to know where you are and how can you get started. Because we believe whatever can be measured can be improved. जो आप मेजर कर पाओगे वही इंप्रूव कर पाओगे. तो एक बार मेजर कर लेते हैं कि भैया हमारी ब्लूप्रिंट है क्या, हम कहाँ पे है और कितनी जर्नी आगे तय करनी है. सो देयर इज अ लिंक बिलो. द व्यूअर्स कैन क्लिक ऑन द लिंक एंड टेक द टेस्ट एंड नो वेयर दे आर राइट नाउ.
So click now okay और बाद में मुझे थैंक यू बोल देना अभी बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Bye.